don't know if I'm gonna get my beat or not.
Who's gonna beat you?
Yeah.
Got some championship dunks, the blue, some pandas. I saw for purples.
Oh, this a DS spray?
Yeah. I don't see them much often.
I know, those used to be super high when they first came out.
And then quick mover.
Slides, yeah, easy. Alright, he said he found a plug for the military, so.
Watch for work. Hey, what's your best for these two? I take both. You take both.
That's 5. I don't know where the guy is.
Get home. You gotta buy her some dinner. Yeah, right. I know you. 365, 260. Reselling. 365, 360. I gotta feed my family too. 365, 365. Yeah, I'm good. You already know my boy.
What's your IG?
Black Door Dallas. Give us a follow. We got the steals and deals.
Alright, appreciate it.
Appreciate it. This is 350.
Yeah, we'll do. Could you do 240 each on these?
Might have to wait.
No box?
Oh, no box?
Yeah, tell them no box.
What about this?
Yeah, that one got a box, but I paid high on it. I do like 280.
What's your best? You trying to take home?
They're consigned. I don't know if I'm gonna get my beat or not.
Who's gonna beat you?
I mean, no one's gonna beat my but they're gonna piss my ass out. Be stuck at 5:30.
We'll do that.
Mind if I get a picture?
Yeah, they always sell out. What about on the militaries?
I'm asking 380.
380? You do 365? You do? We'll take.
I'm gonna try to see if they do like, what do you say?
You said 180.
I'll try to get a little bit. The best if we took these two with that.
So what's on this? You said 160? Yeah, 165.
These? For 100?
I've been having
I'll take it.
We'll take. Yeah.
I've been having them for a minute. I always come pick them up, but they never take them.
These 100? I mean, they be selling. What about these? You do 230? 230? All right. Got some more steals.
Come on, boy, out.
What's your IG?
Jones_Kicks.
240 still.
Checking out the vintage. What's your Instagram? If you want to shout yourself out.
Dallas Vintage Plug. Y'all follow me. Money Sports and Vintage.
Yeah, he always got some good stuff. Dallas. Yeah, you already know. I'm trying to get the crew necks. Oh, that's nice.
What else we got? Notre Dame. I got a Notre Dame. The Stars. That'll probably move the shop.
Definitely.
All the college stuff. Stuff that people like.
We could leave those two out right there. How's it been here today?
It's been straight.
Been
Last one
alright?
was better. I feel like the last one was better.
Yeah. I could tell from the crowd that it was a little bit more packed. Yeah.
Philly, Philadelphia, 76ers.
What size is that one?
This one kind of big.
Yeah.
Large.
Texas.
It's a 2X.
Yeah.
I take care of the big people though.
No, but the thing is, like, the oversized stuff is in style, yeah. I was looking at that when I was just looking at the neckline, but it's really just like fuzzy.
Right, yes.
Yeah, it's not. Yeah. Yeah, I mean, if we could work something out.
Yeah,
Oh, shoot, yeah, that's the old school one too. And the Mizzou.
Buckeyes. Yeah, bowl season coming up too. So.
Yeah, definitely. This a Mizzou one too.
Yeah, Mizzou. That's some real.
I didn't see this Penguins one. Good quality. Oh yeah, that one's tough.
Like a female coming in.
Yeah.
She probably come in and grab it.
Yeah.
A long mistake.
These 9 crew necks. Trying to stay stocked up on the vintage. He's the guy to get the good pieces from right here, you know?
Always trying to get her right, keep her right.
Appreciate it. Alright, yeah, I'm gonna take those.
Do 120.
Retail with tax.
Thank you. You have a good.